Delight in the taste of these tender crepes filled with a rich, creamy cottage cheese mixture and baked in a delicious cream sauce. We start by breaking 4 eggs into a bowl, and then we are adding the sugar and salt, and using an electric mixer, we beat them up until they are frothy and become yellow in color. Once they become a light yellow, like that, then we are going to add the milk all at once. Continue beating while do so. It will become more frothy, it will increase in volume, so make sure you chose a big enough bowl. And then we start adding the flour. At this point, the speed should be lowered so you don't get flour all over the place. And continue beating at a medium speed. And then we are going to add mineral water or carbonated water. Club soda will do just fine too. And then we continue beating our mixture, and it should become smooth, lump-free, and a thin batter that doesn't stick to the beaters much, as you can see in the video. Now we are going to take a non-stick pan, grease it with some vegetable oil or butter, whichever you prefer. Once the pan is warm, take a ladle full of the mixture and swish it around the pan so it gets all the way to the edges, and let it cook. Just like that. And you let it cook until the edges start to lift, and then you turn it around quickly and let it bake another 30 seconds on the other side. Once they are done, stack them on a plate until all of them are cooked. This is how they should look, light golden in color. For the filling, I'm using homemade cottage cheese. If you would like to know how to make your own homemade cottage cheese, check out my video making cottage cheese. To make the filling, we add the cottage cheese to a bowl, then add the egg yolks and the icing sugar and mix it together until everything is incorporated. Add the sour cream, vanilla extract, and also lemon rind. This is optional, of course. I won't hold it against you if you leave it out, but I encourage you to add it since it gives such a nice flavor to the cottage cheese filling. So mix everything together until everything is well incorporated and our mixture becomes creamy. Now to fill the crepes, take one at a time, cut it into 4, then take 1 tablespoon of the cottage cheese mixture, place it into the center, then spread it out with the back of your spoon, then fold both edges toward the center, and then roll it up, just as you would do a cabbage roll. If you haven't done cabbage roll before, no worries, you just watch how I am doing it in this video. It's quite simple. Take both sides, fold it toward the center, and then roll it up. That's it. Very easy. To finish the crepes, I'm using a 9x13 glass pan, which I butter really well, and then place all these crepes into the dish, and then mix the sauce together, add some butter pieces on top, and then pour the sauce over all these crepes, and then bake them in the oven until they are bubbly. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description below. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.